Can't find your website's sitemap? You're in the right place. A good XML sitemap is like a compass for search engines, making it easier for them to crawl and index your content, helping you climb the search ranks in the process. In this video, we will take you through 5 simple ways to find your sitemap, and also show you how to submit it to search engines at the end. 1. Check common XML sitemap locations. First up, let's begin the hunt in the usual spots. Try the classic /sitemap.xml added to the site's domain. And if that doesn't work, other common locations might include /sitemap_index.xml, /sitemap1.xml, or even a /sitemap/directory. 2. Check the robots.txt file. No luck with the common locations? Not to worry. Our next clue lives in the robots.txt file. Type /robots.txt after the main URL, and like magic, it often reveals the sitemap's location. 3. Use search operators. Now for some detective work. Let's use Google search wizardry. In the search bar, combine site with the website's URL and add file type XML. If a sitemap is lurking on the index, it'll pop up in the search results. Other operators you can try after are site ext XML, or in URL sitemap. 4. Use online tools. If manual search feels like a maze, let online tools do the work for you. Sites like SEO Site Checkup can automate the search for you, revealing the hidden paths with just one click of a button. You can also use our free sitemap validator that's linked in the description. 5. Check your CMS. Lastly, for those with back-end access, your CMS might have built-in sitemap functionality. Whether you're using WordPress, Joomla, or another platform, check the settings or plugins section to uncover your sitemap. Those methods are all well and good if you already have a sitemap, but what if you don't? Well, you'll have to create one. You can avoid the fun of building an XML sitemap manually with quick and easy online tools. Yoast SEO is a popular WordPress plugin for generating an XML sitemap, and you could also try out our free XML sitemap generator to do the same. After you've found or created your sitemap, the next step is to submit it to search engines if you want to reap those SEO benefits. We'll walk you through the process for Google Search Console. Open it up. Select your site from the drop-down menu, click Sitemaps. Add your sitemap. Click Submit. Done. There you have it, how to find and submit your sitemap. Easy, no? But remember, a good explorer never travels alone. So share this video to spread the knowledge and help optimize the web. Until next time, keep your compass close and your curiosity closer. Find this video enlightening? Navigate your way to that subscribe button and hit the bell to get notifications when we drop a new video.